A very good morning, students. Today we will learn how to make swings for the garden. We have already learned flowers, we've already learned a simple garden, but a garden is quite incomplete without the swings. So, first of foremost, we will make the margin. We will write today's date 18/8/20. You have asked me so many times that do we have to draw the margin and all. We have to draw the margin and we have to write, like right now we are going to practice. So we will write it practice, because practice swings. Our topic is garden scene. So when we will make garden scene, we will make a margin and we will write garden scene. Today we are learning how to make swings. Sorry, excuse me. And I have left space for teacher's signature. Now, in a garden, you will find swings. So generally, what I have seen, you people making swings like this, and like this. Now suppose you make a swing like this, who can sit here? Nobody can. So in a very simple way, I will teach you how to make a proper swing. What we can do is that we will make two parallel lines, horizontal parallel lines like this, right? Then from the top one, we will bring a line like this, assuming that this is the chain or whatever holding the swing. And the same line we will continue behind the lower one, but we will leave it, we will continue and we will leave it here, right? So the front one a little longer than the back ones. Back ones we will join one to one, front ones we will join one to one, and we will join this also, right? Here we can make a proper stand for a swing holder, and then later on we could make some grass or ground or whatever we want. We could make this a little bit like this. This is simple, yet it appears more to be like a swing. Suppose we are making a swing in the village scene, right? Village scene, they don't have proper gardens and all. What do? We could make in the village scene, we could make maybe, it's a huge tree or something long, old tree. We could make a big trunk of it and then show side branches and then make the tree. Now from one of the thick branch, what we can do is we can bring the lines from top and from below. The same thing we will do. Join the back ones, join the front ones, join the front and back, join the front and back, and you can make a complete swing like this, right? They also have tires. Tires also. So tires, we can just make a, if we want, we can make a round like this, a round like this. Now here it is a little thinner to give that kind of a feel, because when you're looking from here, you can't see the end, right? Right now we will concentrate on normal swings. Let's not get into what the villagers use and the children use. We are making a proper garden. Now, one is this swing. Then you also have a seesaw. Seesaw also, when I saw you people making a seesaw, it was like this, right? Now, how can anybody sit here? So, for a seesaw, proper seesaw, what will we do? We will make a slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, and then join this also with a sleeping line. Now, what we'll do is we will take a vertical line, a straight line here, a straight line here, and we will join these two. We will take a straight line here, another one here, and join these two, and then we will have a stand for it, right? We can just give it a little bit of a thicker effect because we are sitting on a place, right? Now you can change it for a different angle also. Suppose you want to show different angle, you can just continue with you can just change the slant from here to here. Sleeping line goes like that, slant, joining the sleeping line, right? And then your standing line here, and you join these two standing line, it becomes a holder to hold for the grip. And then again here standing line, and then join these two standing line, make a stand. You could just give it a little bit of a thickness, right? So your seesaw is ready. We could make a bench. Now, a bench, we have learned sofa in the drawing room. It is the same concept for the bench. We will make a rectangle shape like this, then we will make a slant, another slant, and we will join these two with a horizontal line. Then we'll make a vertical line, and we will just give it the 4 legs. The behind ones will be smaller, the ones in the front will be longer. You wish you can make a hand rest, and then maybe you could just make slabs. That is what we see in the gardens or in the lawns, right? So you can make a bench also. Now, another thing, another very common swing that we see is the slide. So the slide is, you will make an S like this, a slanting line, another S like this, and you will join these two, right? You will make a double line here, you will make a double line here, and you will make vertical lines. Here we will create a step, double line, a double line here to hold, and then we will make the steps which we take to climb up the slide, right? Is it clear to all of you? Good. Please make all these things, practice them. Thank you. Take care.